This video will show you how to get ACS citations generated for your chemistry project. Okay, so first you're going to choose an article you want and click on it. And then you're going to copy the title of the article or book. Then you're going to go to the ZoteroBib website and copy and paste it and click Cite. And then choose the article. And then you're going to want to scroll down to where the citation formats are, and you'll have to choose 10,000 plus other styles available. Then you're going to click in American Chemical Society, and then you can add it. So the next time you go to Zotero, it will have that citation format already for you. And click Copy to Clipboard, and there you have it. Now you can add it to your docs. Sometimes the citation generators will make mistakes, so make sure to double check the citation to make sure it's correct. And you could find the proper formatting for ACS on the Chemistry Research Guide on the WCC Library website. If you need any help at all, please feel free to contact a librarian via chat, phone, email, or come visit us in person in the library. Our services are available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So there you go. That's how you use ZoteroBib. I hope it is a useful tool for you in your course. And a hui ho!